We get a lot of questions here at America's Test Kitchen about the best way to store spices. And today, Adam Reed has some answers.
Let's hope I have some answers, because there are a lot of spice storage systems out there. We had a lineup of 10 different units. They were based largely on the kind of space you have in which to store your spices. If it's a cabinet or a drawer or a tabletop, maybe the back of a door. Price range was $12 up to $59. And for all of the testing, we used sort of a standard size 4 fluid ounce tall spice jar. Regardless of the style or the space you have to store spices, we were looking for a couple of different factors. One is capacity.
Yep.
You want to be able to expand that spice collection. So our testers were looking for a minimum capacity of about 50 jars. They were also looking for configurability, because not every cabinet or drawer has the same dimensions. So if you can expand or adjust the unit for the space you have, that's very helpful. Visibility, super important, because this is about spot grab and go. You're cooking, you want to be able to see what's there, especially in the middle or the back. And testers also thought it was really nice if there was some way to stabilize the jars on the shelf so they weren't like clanging around, slipping around too much.
I like it.
If a spice rack was unstable or flimsy, check out this white one there.
All right. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting that.
Can you imagine like just grabbing something really fast and the whole thing goes over?
This would not survive me.
Demerits for anything that was that flimsy. There were winners in a couple of different categories. This one is the Spicy Shelf Deluxe. It's U-shaped. It's about $25. It fits into cabinets. This is our favorite for a cabinet because it hugs the sides and the back of the cabinet.
Right.
It's got a capacity of 54 jars.
Nice.
Very good solution for cabinets. If you want to have a tiered spice rack organizer in your cabinet, this clear one here is the M-Design 3-tier expandable spice rack organizer. Yep, you can slide it in and out. That one was great. The spices were nice and visible. That one also has a capacity of 54 jars.
Nice.
If you are storing your spices in a drawer, this is your one. This is what you want to go for. That is the Link Professional 4-tier steel spice drawer organizer. This had a capacity of 64 jars. Testers basically liked it, except they found that if you have a really shallow drawer and it was loaded up, it could interfere with the drawer closing. So make sure you measure your drawer first. They also wouldn't have minded if this had a little silicone liner to keep the jars from clanking around. So if you have a door available in your kitchen and you can use the back of the door, this is the one that you want. This is the Home Complete over-the-door storage rack, $59. But get this, it's got 8 shelves that hold 27 jars each for a total of 216.
That's a lot of spice.
Let's get some more spices. It also fits different size containers, so you can put cans and bags and jars and boxes galore. It really is a great way to expand your pantry space.
I like that one.
Yeah.
This is magnificent.
I think we need to go spice shopping.
Fill her up. So there you have it, spice storage organization for every household. The overall winner for cabinets is the Spicy Shelf Deluxe at just $25.
Take our recipes and reviews wherever you go with the America's Test Kitchen mobile app.
Fail-proof recipes, unbiased equipment reviews, how-to videos, and a vibrant community of like-minded home cooks.
With smart searching and handy tools, you'll have everything you need to create the most amazing meals.
Download the America's Test Kitchen mobile app today. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our Test Kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.